Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this hair clipper. Well, this is not the original. This is not the original box, or maybe this hair clipper is not yet a finished hair clipper, because somehow it doesn't have a model number or something like that. But from where I bought it, it's written, it got 7,300 RPM, I guess without blade, and for the battery, 2,200 milliamp battery, and got 5 watts, 3 hours charging time, and 4 hours operating time. That's all I got from their side, because on this box, nothing written, nothing. And this is a MotFex with the model number, I guess, MF9. I don't know. So let's see what they got for us inside. And for this, I changed this is the original cam follower that comes with it, but I changed it because it was a little bit slower with this cam follower, and I didn't like the sound also. So I changed it, and it's a little bit faster, and yeah, the sound is a little bit quieter. So comes with European adapter, very lightweight, not good quality, and charging cable, little brush. Also comes with a USB Type-C cable. Okay. Oil. Okay, comes with different color guide combs. So I don't know. That's a lot, really a lot. This is the clipper, but no USB Type-C here. Okay. Charging port. Somehow like metal. It's not a DLC. It's just painted black. That's it. So no certification, nothing. Almost like Alibaba hair clippers, you know, straight from the factory. It's like that. So sound check. And it's very strong. Okay. So I don't know if maybe you can see the cam follower that I put inside now. It's a little bit smaller. I mean, it's a little bit smaller than the stock cam follower. One is a little bit longer. So without 7,100.